Airdrop is a great feature for quickly sharing files between Apple devices, but it doesn't always work as expected. If you're having trouble with it, don't worry. There are a few simple fixes that can help get it running smoothly again. Let's get started. First, check that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on and that airplane mode is off. Then go to Settings, select General, and tap on Airdrop to make sure the Everyone for 10 minutes option is enabled. Next, ensure Airdrop isn't restricted by navigating to Settings, selecting Screen Time, and opening Content and Privacy restrictions. Tap on Allowed Apps and confirm that Airdrop is enabled. If the issue persists, resetting network settings might help. Go to Settings, open General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings to restore all network configurations to their default state. If none of these steps work, restarting your device or performing a factory reset may be necessary. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more iOS tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.